So we are going to have a conversation like none of the other 10,000 videos on my channel. Folks, if you don't know, Adrian and his wife just welcomed a newborn, Caden Matthew, to the world September 22nd. It's now roughly 3 months later. And I just want to ask Adrian, what's changed? Has it brought clarity? What's going on? So, Adrian, congratulations, first off.
Thank you. I appreciate it. And clarity, it's changed everything, right? It's changed everything. But I got to show you guys this little guy. I got to show you him. Look, check him out.
Oh, like that's great. Hi,
Does he look like his father at all?
I think he's got his wife's beauty or his mom's beauty.
So anyways, this is Caden. He's 3 months old, three months in a few weeks. And
that's awesome.
You guys, my wife and I waited. I'm 32 and she's 35. We waited for us to have a kid. And life was easy, right? We did what we wanted whenever we wanted, and it was great.
Yeah. You're just balling out, man. You had the life that people would dream of sometimes.
Go to the lake when we want, do what we want. And now I'm not sleeping. My eyes are red. You can see that, right? So it's a lot has changed, but I will say it's helped me understand that there is a bigger reason to life than acquiring real estate and making money. I know that that's important, but what's more important is the legacy that we leave behind, and that's our family. And Zuber, for the longest time, and I just got the chills saying that, dude. Don't please, if I start crying, sorry.
Okay.
But it's interesting because my focus has always been, money, money, money. Let's just go get it, right? And the more I stare at him, the more I look at him, like I'm perfectly okay with not going. I'd rather stay and spend time with him than have to go work 10 hours or call it 30 hours a day, 10 days a week and never see him.
Right.
I think that the real, I've never experienced joy like that. And I don't think money or any car or any watch or any materialistic item can bring you that feeling. And for those of you that are parents, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Yeah. The other thing I want to tell you, because I'm on the other side of this, my daughter Teresa's 31 years old. Right.
Okay, so this is good. We got 3 months and 31. Okay. I love this.
So the first thing to note is they grow up really fast. People hear that a lot. One of my biggest regrets, because I worked a lot when Teresa was growing up, is at least I only can tell you about my experience. I wish I had more hugs with Teresa when she was kind of like under 12 or 13, back when her parents were kind of the world. And she would hug you with both arms. Once they get to be about 12, you get the one arm hug, and, all of that stuff. They do come back. I'll let you know in their 20s, they come back and they're comfortable again, but there's a time where they pull away. So appreciate the first 12 years, because you are everything to Caden. And it's awesome. And also, you're right, it brings clarity, right? I chased the almighty dollar. It was a priority, and then it wasn't.
Yeah.
And I actually think you're going to probably go through a change over the next year. Because right now, Caden is still really a lump, right? Rolling over is a big deal, right?
Yes.
When he starts walking and when they start communicating, it's just like life changes. So I think your business will be different in 3 or 4 years. Not better or worse, just different. And I think it will be conscious decisions driven by Caden. And if you have another one, then the next one. So pretty cool.
It makes me want to acquire as much, right? Well, I got to be careful the way I say this. It makes me want to create the passive income that we need so I can spend time with him.
Yeah.
Before, that was not, I'll be honest with you, Zuber. Last year when we were talking,
that was down on the list.
I was thinking about buying a bigger boat.
Right.
I was going to be honest with you. This time last year, I was thinking about buying a bigger boat. I had in my mind, there was, that was the focus.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can give two shits about a bigger boat right now. You know what I want? I want to be able to get to the point where I don't have to work unless I want to, and I can go spend time with my kid and actually be there during that 1 to 12 years. That's what means more to me. And it's unfortunate that it took me 32 damn years to learn this.
It's okay.
But I'm glad that I'm here now, right? Because
yeah, no, yeah, Caden, I don't know what it is, the light, the inspiration, the fear, because it all comes together as a new parent, right? You're like, you got this thing and it's you, right? It's you and your wife in this case. And yeah, it's yeah, I think what you're going to be quickly revolving into is, how can I be the soccer coach when he's 6 years old?
Yes. And
Right.
be
Because you
there
got
and
to
not
set,
have to worry about answering this.
yeah. Oh, by the way, a soccer coach goes from like 2:30 to 5 o'clock or whatever it is on a Tuesday. How can I set up the next 5 years of my life so I can be the soccer coach or the baseball coach or swim coach or whatever it is? And dude, it's going to be awesome.
So
awesome.
I want to tie back in the second video we did, because with Zuber saying that, guys, I'm not allowing any unnecessary rocks in my bag.
Yeah.
If the rocks are not made to help me get that one step closer to my son and my family, the rock is out of the backpack.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And again, it's clarity that kids, the first one especially, right? It's like you are a different person today than you were on September 21st.
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Which was, because once that birth happened, it's now on you.
My immaturity is washing away. That's what it is. Because that's what it is. I mean, what is a bigger boat? It's immaturity, right? There's nothing mature about that. It's immaturity. So I'm realizing that I was a 32-year-old immature kid and I finally became an adult.
This is going to be awesome to watch, and it will evolve over time. I remember the first steps. I remember one of the biggest memories I have from Teresa is when we took her to her kindergarten, her first day of kindergarten. I can still remember being in the back of the room, looking at the back of her head, going, "Wow," because that was like, because until then,
right,
it's just with us, right? So I just these days are just so clear to me.
Me too, and I'm definitely grateful for them. So
wow, very cool. Well, again, you will be a different person. The immaturity is rolling off. You have just started, my friend. There is more to come. Better you is being chiseled out of rock. And again, don't let anybody put rocks in your backpack. It'll be fun to watch over the next several years.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna be reaching out for guidance, because
I'm here for you.
There's a whole new environment I'm going into. So I'm being super coachable.
I will give you a goal to have. I would love to see you acquire a cash flowing rental property in the next 2 to 3 years that you will give Caden on his 18th birthday.
Oh, I love that.
Then he could use that for college, starting a career, whatever he wants. I strongly recommend that parents of new children think about that as a goal instead of a college fund or whatever. There you go.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it in the next 3 months.
I like it.
All right.
I like
just
it.
because
just because you can.
Yeah, because we're overachievers here.
All right, buddy. If somebody wanted to be a part of your journey down in Orange County area, how would they reach out?
You guys find me on Instagram at Adrian Hernandez. If you guys are in Orange County, you have a family, you guys want to get together, we're looking for new friends. So love to hang out and get to share our stories. So message me, Zuber. Thank you for this episode. It's humbled me this morning. I appreciate you, brother.
Awesome. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you.